How to show battery percentage on Mac. So as you can see on my MacBook, you cannot see the battery percentage. If I want to check how much battery is left on my MacBook, I have to click on the battery logo and then I am able to see what percentage of battery is remaining. But if I go to settings and then go to battery, you can see it shows you what it is charged to last, but it does not show you the battery percentage itself. So how can you actually enable this? In settings, you want to come down till you see menu bar, click on menu bar, and in menu bar you can see there is an icon for battery. If I disable it, I won't be able to see battery at all. Enable it, and then on the right side you have battery options. Click on battery options and then you can see there is percentage. Click on percentage and on the right side you can see it is 97% right now. Then we also have show power saving mode, which is for when you have your laptop on, let's say, low power mode. You can do that as well, or you can just have it when active. So I'm going to have it for always so that it's very convenient for me, and then I'm going to click on done. Now you can see in the menu bar that the battery percentage is right over here, but when I click on it, it is going to disappear from right here. Even if I turn on the low power mode, you can see that the battery percentage is always there, and that is much more convenient than just guessing or clicking on that icon every time. However, to reverse it, if you don't want it, you can just go to system settings, menu bar, and then go to battery options again and turn it off. That is how easy it is. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.